Boys, welcome to the third video. Third video is completely based on the concept of zeros of a polynomial. What is zeros of a polynomial? That we will see by taking an example like 2x minus 4. Correct? What is the degree? 1. So it is called linear polynomial. Zeros means the value of x. Zeros means the value of x. So how many values are possible? Infinite. So which value we need? Value of x which makes the polynomial zero. So we have infinite numbers. Which number will make the polynomial equals to 0? We have to find it out. So hit and try. Suppose we are putting x is equals to 0. So 2 into 0 minus 4, after solving we will get minus 4. So this minus 4 is not 0. So this number is not 0. Go for the second. Suppose we are taking x is equals to 1. So all x will be replaced by 1. So 2 into 1 minus 4. When you solve it, you will get minus 2. Minus 2 is again not equals to 0. So this one is also not the zeros. Go for the next. X is equals to 2. So px is equals to 2 into 2 minus 4. When you solve it, it becomes 0. Now, see the definition. The value of x which makes the polynomial 0 is the zeros of the polynomial. So this is actually the zeros of the polynomial. So for this polynomial, for this particular polynomial, we got a value of x. We got value of x which makes the whole polynomial 0. Therefore, we can say 2 is a 0 of px. Correct? Now we have a big question. How many such numbers are possible? How many such numbers are possible which make the polynomial equals to 0? So we have a clue. What is the degree? Degree is 1. So at most means maximum we can have one value of x which will make the polynomial 0. Means if the degree is 1, how many zeros are possible? 1. Maximum at most. If the degree is 2, how many x are possible? 2. So how many zeros are possible? 2. It means 2 values of x may be there which can make the whole polynomial equal to 0. Suppose we are talking about cubic polynomial. Alright? Cubic polynomial. So cubic polynomial, so how many zeros are possible? 3. Reason? Degree is 3. So 3 zeros are possible. If the degree is 3, we cannot get more than 3 zeros. It may less than, but not more than. If the degree is 100, how many zeros are possible? 100. Maximum 100. It may be less than 100 also. So that is the afterward discussion. But the number of zeros depends upon the degree of the polynomial. The number of zeros cannot exceed the number of degree of the polynomial. Correct? So, zeros are the values of x which make the whole polynomial 0. Final line. Zeros are the value of x. They are also called as roots. They are also called as solution. They are also called as values of x. Actually, when it is a polynomial, it will be a 0. If it is an equation, the same thing will be known as roots. Values of x, solution, all these things stand for the same meaning. We have a quadratic expression, quadratic polynomial, so we may get maximum 2 zeros. So final line I am writing, if degree of a polynomial is n, then number of zeros less than or equal to n. Remember it. If the degree of a polynomial is n, number of zeros will be less than or equal to n. Correct? So this is the relationship between number of zeros and degree of the polynomial.